If you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. Today, I, Manvinder Singh Pava from Manipal University, Jaipur, will discuss something about four levels or four scales of measurement used in statistics. So these four levels are very important to understand because it actually categorizes the data and accordingly it helps in application of the statistical tests. First is nominal scale, second ordinal scale, third is interval scale, and fourth is ratio scale. Let us discuss these things one by one in today's video. First is nominal scale. So as the name suggests, nominal, it only captures certain nominal type of information. Or you can say it actually categorizes the respondents or the subjects into certain category. For example, a person can be either a male or a female. A student can belong to section A, section B, or section C of any class. A person can be a resident of Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, or West Bengal. So in this way, it only categorizes the respondent into certain categories. So it will give us the information whether a person or respondent or a subject belongs to any category or not. So if a person will be belonging to one category, he cannot belong to any other category. This is for sure. Next type of scale is ordinal scale. Ordinal scale not only describes the category of a person, it also tells about the ranking of the categories. So it tells us about which category a person is and how much far away it is from other. Or you can say it actually ranks it. For example, a person can be of lower income group, medium income group, or higher income group. So it not only categorizes but orders. As the name suggests, it is ordinal. Next type of scale is interval scale. Interval scale not only orders, it also tells us the differences between each value, and the absolute value of difference between the categories is also same. The classical example is temperature and time. So in temperature, there is a equal difference between 10 degrees and 20 degrees, that is 10 degrees. In the same way, there will be an equal difference between 80 degrees and 90 degrees, that is again 10 degrees. So, but there is a demerit of this type of scale. The demerit of this type of scale is that it doesn't carries any absolute zero. Absolute zero means even at the 0 degree, we feel some temperature, either heat or some cold. So there is no actual absolute zero to this. In time also, there is no time which is a zero time known to anyone in this world. Next category is ratio. So the ratio is the ultimate nirvana of when it comes to the measurement. It tells not only the order, but the exact value. Besides, it also is having an absolute zero. And that is the reason why the wide variety or wide range of the statistical tests, whether inferential statistics or descriptive statistics, can be applied. So it tells us about the order, the exact value of the differences, and is also having the absolute zero, which actually tells us that how one thing is bigger than other, or how much one thing is comparable to other. For example, height and the weight. So it can be easily said that a person who is 3 feet of height is half the height of a person who is 6 feet of height. A person who is 60 kgs is half the height of a person, half the weight of a person who is having a weight of 120 kgs. So in this way, this actually makes the things comparable in a better way. So in this way, we have learned today about nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and ratio scale. So if we categorize this scale amongst these scales itself, so the nominal scale captures less data, ordinal scale captures data more than nominal, interval scale captures a higher amount of data, and the highest amount of data is captured by ratio scales, and the ratio scale makes the things comparable as compared to that of the interval scale also. Thank you.